Hello. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to use Canva together with OpenAI to create better designs. First, go to GPTs and search for Prompt Maker. Type in a short description of what your design is about. This tool will generate an upgraded design prompt for you. Wait a few seconds for the response. Once you get the new prompt, copy it. Now, go back to GPTs and search for Canva. Paste the prompt into the Canva GPT and wait for the results. As you can see, it gives you several design options you can open and edit directly in Canva. If you get an error when trying to open one of the links, don't worry. Just copy the error message and paste it back into the Canva GPT. It will then give you the images or designs directly. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel.